5 years ago, when I first tried to play the game, medyo wag na lang tayo mag-go to the background, bakit ko inaral, kasi it has something to do with my past, Yeah. Hindi, siguro, because before, like, syempre, it's not a game na before kasi, it's not the type of game na para sa mga girls. For most of the guys play this sport, di ba? But then, I was like, how does it feel ba to play this game? Kasi I see them really enjoying it. And I'm the type na gusto ko kung saan masaya, gusto ko aralin. So I tried to really understand the game, the mechanics and everything. And I enjoyed it. Kasi it's like playing volleyball then. You get to play with different players. It's a team sport that I love playing. So sabi ko, saya nito. Tapos you have different roles. Just like in volleyball, you have different roles. And when you play together collectively, you win the game, 'di ba? So yun, tapos plus pa yung ang ganda ng mga skins. Gusto ko si Farsa kasi may mga gown siya, gano'n. Tapos so natuwa na talaga ako to the point na binibili ko talaga yung mga skins, tapos nag-explore ako ng mga iba't ibang characters. And then ang laking tinulong ng ML to me during the entire pandemic, because back then wala kaming volleyball for 2 years. So this is the only sport that I played the entire pandemic. Yung mental health ko talaga na na-tap niya and na-help niya ako doon to keep my competitiveness, yung sport mindset ko na keep talaga ng ML during that pandemic. Kinilig ako. Sabi ko, ay, sisundan ko to. Kung nasan sila, doon ako. Ganun ako loyal na fan ng VYs actually. And aside from that, si Renny J kasi, naging friend ko na din siya because they used to watch our games din sa PBL. So why not, din naman, parang support din tayo kasi support din sila sa volleyball. So support din tayo sa Mobile Legends.
And
Nakakalaro, hindi kalaban. Kahit na magkakalaban kami sa ibang teams, pero pag ML, magkaka-teammates kami, guys. Ganun namin ka-love yung sport. Together we play talaga. Even mga coaches from different teams, nag-i-invitean talaga kami, maglalaro kami together.